Hi guys, my name is Emmanuel Jr. and today I will teach you how to create algorithm and flowchart and also explain it to you. Algorithm and flowchart are two types of tools to explain the process of a program. This video extends the difference between an algorithm and a flowchart and how to create a flowchart to explain an algorithm in a visual way. Algorithms and flowcharts are two different tools used for creating new programs, especially in computer programming. An algorithm is a step-by-step analysis of the process, while a flowchart explains the steps of a program in a graphical way. But first, what is algorithm? An algorithm is a procedure for solving problems. In order to solve a mathematical or computer problem, this is the first step of the procedure. An algorithm includes calculations, reasoning, and data processing. Algorithms can be presented by natural language, pseudocode, and flowcharts, etc. Here are some examples of algorithm. Examples. Calculate the circle. When we read the problem, next, analyze the problem. Use the step-by-step method. There are two methods that can be used in algorithm, which is pseudocode and flowcharting. Pseudocode. Calculate the area of a circle. Step 1. Start. Step 2. Calculate the circle area. Step 3. Circle area equals 3.142 radius. Step 4. Radius. Step 5. Print the circle area. Step 6. End. So that's how to create an algorithm. You just have to follow step-by-step procedure. Next is flowchart. What is a flowchart? A flowchart is the graphical or pictorial representation of an algorithm with the help of different symbols, shapes, and arrows in order to demonstrate a process or a program. With algorithm, we can easily understand a program. The main purpose of a flowchart is to analyze different process. Several standard graphics are applied in a flowchart. These are the symbols and shapes in flowcharts. Terminal. Start or end of the program. Preparation signifies the preparation of data. Data, input or output. Operation. Process, computational steps or processing function of a program. Decision, decision making and branching. On-page connector. Connector or joining of two parts of a program. Off-page connector. Designates entry or exits from one page. Flow lines indicates the flow of operation. There are functions that I know. An oval represents a start or end point. A line is a connector that shows relationship between the representative shapes. A parallelogram represents input or output. A rectangle represents a process. A diamond indicates a decision. Example in flowchart. Start. The symbol is oblong. An oval represents a start point. Next is arrow. A line is a connector that shows relationships between the representative shapes, as I said earlier. Radius. It is the input or output. A relationship. A process. A relationship again. Radius. An input or output. Relationship. And then oval, the endpoint. It is also an endpoint. So that's how you do an algorithm in flowchart in a visual way. The graphics above represents different part of a flowchart. The process in a flowchart can be expressed through boxes and arrows with different sizes and colors. In a flowchart, we can easily highlight a certain element and the relationship between each part. Algorithms are mainly used for mathematical and computer programs, while flowchart can be used to describe all sorts of processes, business, educational, personal, and of course, algorithms. There are the uses of algorithms and flowcharts. My conclusion to this: from the above, we can come to a conclusion that a flowchart is a pictorial representation of an algorithm. An algorithm can be expressed and analyzed through a flowchart. An algorithm shows you every step of reaching the final solution, while a flowchart shows you how to carry out the process by connecting each step. An algorithm uses mainly words to describe the steps, while a flowchart uses the help of a symbol, shapes, and arrows to make the process more logical. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thanks guys. See you later.